Hi, my name is Michael Hollins, and I am the founding attorney here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law. Today, I would like to address the question: if you file bankruptcy, is that an admission of guilt? If someone files bankruptcy, are they guilty of having bad past practice with their finances? But before I jump into that, if you need any additional information regarding bankruptcy, please head over to hollinsbankruptcy.com where we have a lot of great information. If you'd like to set an appointment to talk with myself, an attorney, regarding your personal situation, you can do that on the website also, or give us a call at 866-86-BILLS. That's 866-862-4557. And now on to the topic. If you file bankruptcy, are you really admitting that you had past practices that didn't line up and you weren't doing the right things financially? Well, I don't think that's the case. If you are considering filing for bankruptcy, you're probably overwhelmed by your debts. And every month you seem to fall further behind. Creditors are calling you, and this is your regular routine. Now, bankruptcy offers a solution, but maybe you can't bring yourself to take the next step to take advantage of that. I mean, you're an honest person. You want to pay your bills. But again, you just really feel embarrassed that you're ashamed that you can't do that at this time. The money is just not flowing in as quick and as easy as the bills are. Now, to that person who feels that way, bankruptcy may feel like it's an admission of failure. You may feel like, again, I'm a great person. I'm just not able to make these bills. Now, if you're struggling with the stress of filing bankruptcy, one of the best ways to help alleviate that stress is to shift the way you think about bankruptcy. Our culture, it tends to lend to think about bankruptcy as a consequence of bad spending decisions or a shameful outcome for something that you did wrong. But the truth is, bankruptcy is a tool put in place by the federal government to protect myself and yourself, debtors, to protect everybody from malicious creditors and overbearing debt loads, especially after having a financial shock, i.e., a pandemic, where everyone's income was affected negatively. This is the tool that you have in your toolbox to use. And you're entitled to not be overburdened with debt and trapped to the consequences of what that particular pandemic in this case, or the consequences of what the burden may have been that put you in the hole that you're in. You're entitled to not be overburdened with debt. Bankruptcy ultimately is a fresh start, and I use that term all the time. So rather than thinking about the stress of bankruptcy or seeing it as a shameful outcome of debt, consider it to be more optimistic. Bankruptcy in its simplest form is just that. It's a fresh start. It's a chance to start over, to get past your previous financial decisions, to get past the medical bills with the basically the illness that you didn't see coming, to get past the income that happens where sometimes kids go to college or where you lose your job. Again, the pandemic or divorce, the lawsuit that you didn't see coming. It's an opportunity to get past those things. Filing for bankruptcy provides you with a kind of renewed sense of financial independence. So rather than having your earnings or your finances belong to someone else and you're indebted to someone else, they will once again belong to you. And you'll be able to start rebuilding your finances, rebuilding your credit, rebuilding your savings without the fear and the stress of debt and creditors looming over your head that someone may sue you or that someone's coming for your income. Rather than a badge of failure, try thinking about it like it's your first step to financial stability. Now, when you're ready to take that first step, you want to give us a call here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. Our number is 866-862-4557, which is also 866-86-BILLS. Or you can go to hollinsbankruptcy.com, set an appointment there to talk with us so that you can get one-on-one attention about where you are and how bankruptcy might be a solution for you so that we can help you get on the track that you need to be. Again, my name is Michael Hollins with the Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. As always, thank you for listening, and please be safe.